In the vast, uncharted void of space, a new kind of race has begun, one that will shape the future of humanity. It's no longer a race between nations, but a competition between two visionaries. NASA, the agency that first launched humans into space, and SpaceX, the revolutionary company that is redefining what's possible in the cosmos. As rockets soar through the atmosphere and spacecraft embark on incredible journeys, we stand at the dawn of a new era in space exploration. This race, however, is not just about landing on the moon or exploring Mars. It's about who will lead the charge into the future of space travel. Will it be the storied legacy of NASA, with its wealth of experience and international partnerships? Or will it be SpaceX, with its bold innovations and audacious goals that have sent shockwaves through the space industry? NASA's story is a legacy of human achievement. The agency's journey began with the dream of exploring the unknown and pushing the boundaries of what was thought possible. On July 20th, 1969, NASA did just that. The Apollo 11 mission landed the first humans on the moon, a moment that was broadcast around the world. Neil Armstrong's iconic words, "That's one small step for man, one giant leap for mankind," symbolized not just the triumph of American space exploration, but the triumph of humanity itself. NASA's pioneering spirit did not stop at the moon. Over the decades, the agency sent rovers to Mars, launched satellites to study distant stars, and developed spacecraft that have traveled beyond our solar system. The Space Shuttle program, which began in 1981, changed the way we thought about space travel, making reusable spacecraft a reality. And today, NASA's efforts continue through the exploration of the Red Planet, with missions like Perseverance and Ingenuity revolutionizing our understanding of Mars. NASA also became a beacon of global cooperation. Through the International Space Station, ISS, the agency has built partnerships with Russia, Europe, Japan, and Canada, creating a platform for international collaboration in space science, engineering, and technology. NASA's legacy is not just in its historic milestones, but in its ability to bring the world together in the pursuit of knowledge. Enter SpaceX, a company born from the ambitious vision of Elon Musk, who founded the private aerospace manufacturer in 2002 with one goal in mind: to reduce the cost of space travel and make it accessible to everyone. SpaceX's rise has been nothing short of revolutionary. What began as a small startup with a bold idea has transformed into a powerhouse that challenges the status quo and redefines the future of space exploration. In 2008, SpaceX made history with the launch of Falcon 1, the first privately developed liquid-fueled rocket to reach orbit. But it was the Falcon 9 rocket, first launched in 2010, that changed everything. Designed to be reusable, the Falcon 9 drastically reduced the cost of sending payloads into space. SpaceX wasn't just making rockets, it was making them more sustainable, efficient, and economical. The company's ability to land and reuse rockets after launch was a game changer, something no one in the industry thought was possible at the time. Then came Dragon. The Dragon spacecraft, first launched in 2010, was designed to carry cargo to the International Space Station. It marked the beginning of a new era in commercial space travel. In 2020, SpaceX made history again when it launched NASA astronauts to the ISS aboard the Crew Dragon spacecraft, making SpaceX the first private company ever to do so. This achievement was a testament to the company's ability to not just compete with, but complement, the work of national space agencies. SpaceX's boldest and most ambitious project, however, is Starship, a fully reusable spacecraft designed to carry humans and cargo to Mars and beyond. The goal? To make space travel as routine as air travel, with the end game being the establishment of a human colony on Mars. It's a vision that's as grand as it is audacious. But if anyone has shown the ability to defy expectations, it's SpaceX. The new space race isn't just about competition. It's also about collaboration. As private companies like SpaceX rise to the forefront of space exploration, NASA has recognized the value of these partnerships. NASA and SpaceX have joined forces in a way that was once unimaginable. The government space agency relying on a private company to transport astronauts to the International Space Station and to aid in the Artemis program's goal of returning humans to the moon. SpaceX's role in the Artemis program is crucial. NASA has selected SpaceX's Starship as a key component of its lunar exploration plans. In fact, SpaceX has been awarded a contract to develop a version of Starship that will carry astronauts to the moon's surface, helping to establish the first permanent human presence there. This partnership is a symbol of how far the space industry has come, a blending of the public and private sectors, working together to achieve what neither could accomplish alone. As NASA continues to focus on its long-term goals of scientific discovery and international cooperation, SpaceX's drive to make space travel more accessible and sustainable is accelerating the pace of progress. The two organizations, while different in their approaches, are united by a common purpose: advancing humanity's presence beyond Earth. So what's next? As we look to the future, the race to Mars is on. NASA's Artemis program aims to return humans to the moon by the mid-2020s, using it as a stepping stone for a future mission to the Red Planet. NASA's vision is clear. The moon will serve as a testing ground for the technologies and strategies needed to survive and thrive on Mars. But SpaceX has its eyes set even farther. Elon Musk's vision for SpaceX is not just to visit Mars, but to settle it. Through Starship, SpaceX aims to reduce the cost of interplanetary travel and create the infrastructure necessary to make Mars a second home for humanity. Musk has spoken often about the need for humans to become a multi-planetary species to ensure the survival of our civilization in the face of existential threats on Earth. Both NASA and SpaceX are working toward this shared goal, but their approaches are very different. NASA's mission is grounded in scientific discovery, international collaboration, and long-term sustainability. SpaceX, on the other hand, is focused on innovation, speed, and cost-effectiveness, pushing the boundaries of what's possible to reach Mars within the next decade. The race to Mars isn't just about which organization will get there first. It's about laying the groundwork for humanity's future beyond Earth, and both NASA and SpaceX are integral to that journey. The question now is, who will lead the way into the next age of space exploration? Will it be the established legacy of NASA, with its decades of experience and proven track record in human spaceflight? Or will it be SpaceX, with its bold innovations and relentless drive to make space travel as routine as flying from one city to another? Perhaps, in this new era, there's no need to choose. NASA's rich legacy and expertise complement SpaceX's cutting-edge technology and vision for the future. Together, they represent the two forces propelling humanity toward the stars. The future of space exploration is not about competition. It's about collaboration, innovation, and reaching for the stars together. The new space race is one that will benefit all of us. Whether we're watching from the Earth's surface or joining in the journey to distant worlds, the adventure has just begun. As rockets launch and spaceships travel further into the cosmos, we stand on the brink of a new frontier. And this time, the race isn't just about who can get there first. It's about the dream of space travel becoming a reality for all of us. The new space race is not about who wins, but about how far we can go, together,